Hey guys, on today's video we are going to be installing the front and rear mud flaps vz102306 for our Dodge Durango. What we have here is the mud flaps with forged carbon fiber surface finish. It's going to match really well with our side skirt splitters and rear diffuser with the same surface finish. There are a total of 10 different surface finishes to choose from. Check out the product page and choose the one fitting for you. It's a fairly simple installation. Since we didn't want to drill new holes into the layers, we decided to just use the screws and hardware that were holding the fenders together as our screws for the mud flaps. When you buy the mud flaps, it will include hardware and screws, so feel free to drill the holes needed for those screws in your installation. First, we use the torque wrench to loosen the screws. Then determine the best location for the mud flaps and mark the mounting points. Next, we need to drill the holes in the mud flaps for the screws. One hole on the top, and another in the middle or bottom area. You can drill more than 2 holes if you want to have more screws to hold the mud flap in place. The location of where to drill the holes may differ. Place the mud flaps in the desired location and use the screws to secure them in the vehicle. Make sure that the mud flaps are level and aligned properly. That's pretty much it. You just need to do the same to all for mud flaps. Make sure to not mix up the left with right. The surface finish side would be facing out when you are looking from the rear side of the vehicle. You can also use 3M double-sided tapes to stick the mud flap on. Whatever way is easier for you. If you are using 3M double-sided tape, you would just put the tape on the mud flap, take off one side of the tape, and stick it onto your desired spot. There you go, that is our installation video for our Dodge Durango front and rear mud flaps vz102306. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and check out our YouTube channel for more installation videos on the Dodge Durango and stay tuned for more future videos.